Hi gang, NoPro here with another Emcomm Systems Training video. The purpose of this video series is to discuss the various system components for emergency communications. As I started creating the scripts for these videos, I realized I wasn't covering the most important component, you. Since most other videos don't discuss this either, I thought I should. If you're just some yahoo running around with a handheld in a pickup truck who knows nothing, then you're not helping anyone. The key is proper training. No matter how much equipment you have and how simple it is, you need to know how it operates and what its limitations are. Today's radios can be quite complicated. Because of that, most of us use computer software to program them. If you're in the field and quickly need to plug in a new channel with non-standard transmit-receive splits using different PL codes for transmit and receive, could you do that without using a computer or reading the instruction manual? You better be able to. You need to know how your equipment works. Others' lives very well may depend on it. In addition to knowing your equipment, you need to know the environment you'll be working in. The Incident Command System, ICS, is a management process that is used universally throughout the U.S. It is a commonality system for managing different agencies at an incident. No matter where you come from, you fall under the ICS system of unified leadership. If you get involved in an incident, it will be governed by ICS. You need to understand how it works and what part of it you'll be responsible for. Yes, there is a communications section. There are a large number of free classes available for ICS, many of which are available online. At a minimum, you should take ICS 100 and ICS 200 online. That will give you a basic understanding of how the system works. You also need to know what role your group has in the incident. This is a team sport. Nobody does this alone. You're part of a team that's part of a group that has a mission. You'll be supporting a served agency. Hopefully, your group has laid the groundwork for your support mission, but that's not always the case. Some agencies do not fully comprehend the need for our services. Even hardened people in an agency such as hospital emergency room staff may not fully get it. We live in a society where everything is readily available through the internet. A lot of people cannot fathom not being connected in some way. If it's not by phone, then certainly they can text. The thought of being completely isolated hasn't really sunk in. That's where your group needs to focus in, to show the true value of our services. Remember, if you're involved in the Emcomm world, you're part of a group of specially designated individuals with approved radio facilities which will be tasked with providing contingency communication services to your served agencies. You will supplement and/or replace normal communications tools when those systems are unavailable or significantly degraded. You cannot just show up and help. If you don't know how things work, how your equipment works, or how ICS works, you'll become a hindrance. Worse yet, the people around you will assume you know what you're doing. If you don't know the procedures being used and you're supposed to be the radio guard for deployed teams, you'll be placing them in danger. Don't let yourself get in that position. The last thing you need to know is your personal limitations. You need to take a hard look at yourself and not get into a situation you cannot perform in. You may be an expert at radio operations, but hiking 10 miles up a mountain trail to get to the station location may be above your physical limitations. It's okay to say no. You certainly will be needed elsewhere, and again, you don't want to bring another victim to the party. Remember, be prepared, train, learn about how things are done. This is Christopher, NoPro. Have a nice day and let's be safe out there.